this is Pranay Sai. Whenever you have to speak on something which people have different opinions, you have to present it as your view. The following words can be used to state your opinion. The first one, from my point of view. From my point of view, the event was a complete success. The second one, to my way of thinking. Well, to my way of thinking, they should have done that years ago. The third one, it seems to me that. It seems to me that there is something fishy about the case. The next one, probably. You'll probably get one chance to take a photo, so utilize it. Here, probably means might happen or maybe. Got it? And the next one, perhaps. It expresses the uncertainty or possibility. An example for this word is, I thought she was leaving the company, but perhaps it may be just a rumor. I have given you a few words for your reference. Try to understand and go through other words which states your opinion and practice them in your speech. All the best.